Hi, it's Dr. Milanes with Luminary MD. Have you met TED? Not that one, this one. TED is the newest device by Alma Lasers that provides a needle-free, pain-free solution for hair restoration. Unlike microneedling, that depends on needles to create channels, the Alma TED uses acoustic sound waves and air pressure to drive medications down to the dermis for higher absorption. Our TED Plus hair care formula contains essential ingredients that support optimal hair and scalp health and hair follicle strength. It's just 3 easy steps for fuller, thicker hair. First, we prime the area. Then we apply the TED Plus hair care formula, followed by driving the serum down to the dermis. Don't just take my word for it. Here are results of several satisfied patients. Interested in needle-free hair restoration? Give us a call or text us and request an appointment today. We promise you a VIP experience and amazing results.